EIT manufacturing community identified emerging topics with potential for transversal and wide-scale effects in the near future. Tuesdays from Future is an innovation webinar series where leading experts present and discuss the latest insights on real-life use cases.
Industrial manufacturing and all the electricity related to this industry contribute, as we all know, roughly about 50% of the so-called overall greenhouse gas emission in the globe.
Which really puts a lot of responsibility on us in order to figure out what do we need to do if we're trying to reduce global emissions moving forward. Something which I can call like a dummy's guide, you could say, to GHG emissions, which helps you understand what emission you need to focus on based on your industry. Like, what are you doing? Where is the emission source? What is the greenhouse gas that's coming out? But more importantly, how does this fit into the scope of the standards for measurement? A lot of companies today are really depending on tech-based solutions. This can be either by the use of advanced materials, or if you want to use AI or even advanced forms of AI like TinyML.
What are you doing concretely yourself to reduce the CO2 footprint in your offices or factories?
Industry 4.0 and additive manufacturing can support the shift toward more sustainable manufacturing process. So with Fenice, we contribute to this by almost eliminating the CO2 emissions from the feedstock production.
I just wanted to start with asking, for what purpose are you doing digital transformation?
Is really to take advantage, competitive advantage from the opportunity that data availability provide us in terms of process optimization, cost optimization, and in terms also of new business area creation.
How to provide small parts of technology in combination with partners like system integrators, cloud, OEMs, and maintenance companies.
Nowadays, the industrial environment, there is a competition that is very intense, and this is partly also due to new technologies that enable new market entries, newcomers to enter the markets and to be competitive.
Around 98% of sensor data is actually thrown away. We don't use it today. Not because of anything else, not because it's useless, but simply because of the fact that it's too expensive to put all this data to the cloud, make some machine learning on it, figure out some pattern, come back and do, the preventive kind of maintenance if you want to do.
The roles of one application versus an infrastructure versus the data provider, they can move and change.
There are already a lot of startups, but what they often lack is the background knowledge about what do the large corporations do.
Hungry for more? Interested in white papers, tech radar, or designing your own webinar? Contact us. EIT Manufacturing, making innovation happen.